Talman on Super Ninja Productions, and today I will be reviewing the Recon. A good thing about the Recon is it has a scope and it's adjustable. You can move it from on here up to there, and you can move it up and down. Another good thing about the Recon, it has a laser here and there. And another good thing about it is it takes clips. Another good thing is it has a stock that holds another clip. And another good thing is when you shoot, it's easy to reload. And when you run out of bullets, you have this extra dart compartment down here. And you can adjust it, take the stock off, take this off, take the scope off, make it just a pistol. Or you can keep the stock on and have no front for it. And then you can put this back on and make it with no stock. Then you can put the scope back on to see on it. And then you take it off, put this down, put it off, and see you next time on Super Ninja Productions.